Let's talk about HIV. Ang cases ng HIV in the Philippines have increased by over 500%. At ito ay hindi lamang po statistics. It is a wake-up call. Ano nga ba ang HIV? HIV stands for Human Immunodeficiency Virus. Inaatake ng virus na ito ang immune system by targeting the CD4 cells. Ang CD4 cells ay isang klase ng mga cells na nagpoprotekta sa ating katawan against infection. They're considered as one of the important soldiers of the body. Isa silang defense team. And HIV disables them. At kung mababa at mahina ang depensa na to, you get sick more often and more seriously. Sa ating bansa, most new HIV cases are from unprotected interaction. And guess what? Maraming tao ang hindi nakakaalam that they're infected for years because they only exhibit flu-like symptoms or no symptoms at all. Ano po ang dapat nating gawin? Unang-una is to get tested. Testing is free at local health centers, NGOs, or DOH clinics. Ang mga hospitals at private diagnostic clinics offer this testing too. Pangalawa, if you're positive, start treatment. Merong antiretroviral therapy for this, and this will help you live a long and healthy life. May 3 stages ang HIV. Una ay ang acute stage which develops within 2 to 4 weeks after getting the HIV infection. Maaring makaranas ng flu-like symptoms. Sa stage na ito, the level of HIV in the blood is high, kaya naman mataas ang risk ng HIV transmission. Next is chronic stage. Tinatawag din itong asymptomatic HIV infection or clinical latency. Sa stage na ito, HIV continues to multiply but at very low levels. Sa stage na ito, maaaring ikaw ay asymptomatic and people who are taking antiretroviral therapy may be in this stage for several decades. At ang last stage ay ang AIDS, Acquired Immunodeficiency Syndrome. This is the final and most severe stage of HIV infection. Nagkakaroon na ng severe damage sa immune system at ang CD4 cell count ay mababa na. But you can stay in the first 2 stages with medications. Hindi mo rin matatransmit ang infection if it's undetectable. We call it U equals U. Undetectable equals untransmittable. Tandaan na hindi nakukuha ang HIV from hugging, kissing, sharing utensils, or using the same toilet. Remember to always use protection. Know your status. Ask your doctors about PrEP and PEP, and get tested regularly. Let's stop the shame and start the conversation about HIV. Let's stop misinformation and stigma. Mag-ingat po kayo parati. I'm Dr. Lian. Follow for more health tips.